Hello everyone, welcome to Twastra Interior. I am the principal architect Chandrasekhar. So this house tells us a story where the natural light meets with the house, and this house is created in a minimal theme in a beige color and a wood color combination. So all the full lighted curtains, COB lightings, false ceilings and kitchens, everything create a nice atmosphere inside the house for everyone.